Okay, Ethan. How's it? How's it? How's it? Do you like it, right? Here you go. Can you give thumbs up? Okay, thumbs up. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mumma and Ethan vlogs. Hope you guys are doing well. We are also very well and fine. So today's video is a requested video, and if you are watching my video, mate, this video is for you. So thank you for asking, and without any delay, let's get started. Vegetable I'm taking here is zucchini, red pepper, capsicum, carrot, onion, some sesame seeds, mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon is fine, some peanuts as per your requirement and how much you want or less, and some raisins and maybe 7 to 8 curry leaves. You can add here cashew, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds as well. And now I'm just taking 1 cup of flattened rice or poha, and then we need to just give a good wash, and I'm just giving just 1 wash is enough, and then strain it and keep it aside. Make sure that you are doing it after you cut your vegetables, because we can't do it very early or very late, because we need to give time to poha, flattened rice, to get fluffy, to soak the water and get fluffy. So here I've strained it, and then I'll just leave it on the side. And once it's done, then I'm gonna put my pan and gas stove and then just heat it up. I'm putting here like 1 tablespoon of ghee, and then start adding my seeds. So first I added here mustard seeds, then curry leaves, and then I'm gonna add here peanuts, followed by raisins, and then last sesame seeds. But make sure when you add them, quickly add your vegetables, because sesame seeds, like, you know, they just split everywhere. And give it a good mix. Yes, add your sesame seed once you feel that the peanuts has been cooked, then only add it. And here I just put it, mix it, and then directly adding the vegetables here. 1 to 1.5 minutes will cook the vegetables before adding anything else. You can take any other vegetables here, but make sure the vegetables, they don't take much time to cook, like, you know, like how we eat zucchini or capsicums. You can take any color of bell peppers, they are very good with poha. Now I'll add here less than 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is just for a color, and don't put it too much at a time. Maybe you are thinking that the color is very less, but if you put too much of turmeric powder, the smell of turmeric powder will stay there, because we are not cooking poha for a long time. So 1 minute after adding the turmeric, I'm adding here salt. So just add it as per your taste, and after salt, just directly put your poha, because we don't want vegetable to release any water. You can see the poha is very light and fluffy, so this is how we need to make the poha. So I mean, the flattened rice need to be like this way, so that your poha will be nice, and, you know, like you can see that it's not sticking at the bottom, just because it has taken enough water, and it's not too much in the water as well. So just need to keep these things in mind. Half a minute more and it's ready. Now you can garnish it with green coriander, and when you are eating, just before that, squeeze some lemon juice, so that you will be getting the vitamin C as well. So this food is full of vitamin, fiber, carbs and minerals. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys that watching my videos and subscribing my channel. See you tomorrow for our live if possible, otherwise I'll post some video. And till then, bye bye. Wait a second, someone is saying you bye bye as well. Say bye bye. Bye bye. And blow kisses. Thank you.